SonicFill makes posterior restorations easy and predictable. It's the only sonic-activated single-step bulk fill composite system that does not require a capping layer. The SonicFill system features composite material that incorporates a highly filled proprietary resin with special modifiers that react to sonic energy. In its initial resting state, the modifier forms an extended stabilizing network throughout the resin. As sonic waves are applied through the handpiece, the modifier causes the viscosity of the composite to drop up to 87%. This increases the flowability of the composite to enable quick placement and precise adaptation to the cavity walls. Once the sonic energy is stopped, the composite returns to a more viscous, non-slumping state, ideal for sculpting and contouring. With SonicFill, the process takes less than 3 minutes.